Hi there, welcome to my new course Face Recognition with Deep Learning using Python. This is the second course from my computer vision series. As you know, face detection and face recognition is the most used applications of computer vision. Using these techniques, the computer will be able to extract one or more faces in the image or in a video and then compare it with the existing data to identify the people in that media. Face detection and face recognition is widely used by governments and organizations across the world for surveillance and policing. We are also making use of it daily in many applications like face unlocking of your cell phones, etc. And this course will be a quick starter for people who want to dive deep into the face recognition technology using Python without having to deal with all the complexities and mathematics associated with a typical deep learning process. We will be using a Python library called Face Recognition, which is an open source library. It uses simple classes and methods to get the face recognition implemented with ease. We are also using OpenCV, dlib, and also the Pillow library for Python as supporting dependencies. And let's now see the list of interesting topics that are included in this course. At first, we will have an introductory theory session about the face detection and face recognition technology, the different types and methods that we are using in face detection and face recognition. And after that, we are ready to proceed with preparing our computer for Python coding by downloading and installing the latest Anaconda package. And I know most of you may not be coming from a Python-based programming background. The next few sessions and examples will help you to get the basic Python programming skill to proceed with the sessions included in this course. The topics included are Python assignment, flow control, functions, and Python data structures. Then we will install the rest of dependencies and libraries that we require, including the dlib, face recognition, OpenCV, etc. And then we will try a small program to see if everything is installed fine and working fine. We will have an introduction to basics and working of face detectors. These face detectors will detect human faces from a given media, whether it's an image or a video. We will try the Python code to detect the faces from a given image, and then we will extract those faces from the image as separate small images. And later we will go ahead with face detection from a video. We will be streaming the real-time video from the computer's webcam and will try to detect faces from it. We will also draw a rectangle around each detected face in the live video. We will then see face detection for a pre-saved video in our computer. And in the next session, we will customize the face detection program to blur the detected faces. And in the next session, we will do an interesting exercise in which we will be detecting various emotions in a real-time webcam video. We will install the deep learning neural network libraries at first. Then we will download the pre-trained model for facial expression detection. And finally, we will proceed with the implementation of facial expression detection. And after that, we will try to recognize the facial expression of the face in a video, a pre-saved video in our computer. And after the face detection, we will have an introduction to the basics and working of face recognition, which will identify the faces that are already detected from the media like image or a video. And in the next session, we will try the Python code to identify the name of people and their faces from a given image. We will then draw a rectangle around the face and their name below that rectangle. Then, like as we did in the face detection, we will go ahead with face recognition from a video. We will be streaming the real-time live video from the computer webcam, and we will try to identify and name the faces in it. We will draw the rectangle around each face detected and beneath that their names in the live video. And then we will try to recognize face from a pre-saved video in our computer. And most times during coding, along with the face matching decision, we will need to know how much matching the face is, and for that we will get a parameter called face distance, which is the magnitude of matching of two faces. We will later convert this face distance value to a more friendly face matching percentage using simple mathematics. And in the coming two sessions, we will learn how to tweak the face landmark points used for face detection. We will draw a line joining these face landmark points so that we can visualize the points in the face which the computer is actually using for evaluation. And later we will alter the code to draw face landmarks for multiple faces inside an image. And then we will use the same program to draw the face landmark for a real-time video and also a pre-saved video in our computer. And taking the landmark point customization to the next level, we will use the landmark points to create a custom face makeup for the face image. And after the face makeup in a single image, we will proceed with implementing the face makeup for a real-time video. And that's all about the topics which are currently included in this quick computer vision face recognition course. The code, the images and the libraries used in this course has been uploaded and shared in a Google Drive folder. I will include the link to download them in the last session or the resource session of this course. You are free to use this code in your projects with no questions asked. After completing this course, you will be provided with a course completion certificate which will add more value to your portfolio. So that's all for now. See you soon in the classroom. Happy learning and have a great time. Bye bye.